guys, today this is we got for Halloween, and we got like stuff in there. And let's get started.
Whose bag is whose?
This is my sister. That's mine.
Which one are you gonna start with?
I'm gonna start with my sister's.
You're gonna start with your sister. I'll put it right here, and you can pull the stuff out and show them. Tell them what the stuff is when you pull it out.
These are cookies. Clips. We got this ghost. Graham crackers. More food. Cheese.
Cheese what?
Cheese. Puffs. More food. And more food. More food. More food. Mittens. And a ghost duck.
Ghost duck?
Start with mine.
Oh, you wanna move your stuff out of the way, or Charlie's stuff out of the way so you can see your stuff? Let's do that.
Now we're starting with my stuff. Whoa! This is cool. This and this. Got a pen. An invisible pen. Guys, we're gonna get the light. We got the light and we're gonna shine it. See, guys?
Invisible ink, and when you shine the light on it, you can see it.
Yeah, guys.
Neat.
And now I'm done with this one. The cap back on. Chips. Banana. Cheez-Its. You are scared of this, guys. A skeleton. It's a dancing. Oh, it's a skeleton. Guys, I got a little kitty. Bubbles. And more crackers. Got this. Oh, guys, I'm going to put these in my mouth to scare you.
You got them upside down. Put them over. Oh, they go this way. I think they're too big for your mouth.
Ah.
Whoa.
Whoa. Wow. Whoa. Ooh, guys, we're gonna decorate a pumpkin. Let's start doing it.
Not right now. You can do that later, okay? Keep showing them what you got.
Oh, guys, look at the pumpkin. It's so cute. We got popcorn for Halloween.
Sure.
That is crazy.
Why is that crazy?
Guys, we don't get popcorn at Halloween.
No? No, throw this stuff.
Guys, you know, have a happy Halloween. And I did. So let's have a Halloween party.
You want to dump it out?
Yeah,
You want to dump it out?
yeah. Guys, we're gonna dump it out now.
What are you going to do with all that?
Eat it.
Got anything neat in there?
Yeah, we got stickers.
What's that? No. Not right now.
But we
What?
got bracelets.
Yep. Now what? No, stop. You're making a mess. Stop. You're going to smush them all.
Brush your teeth if you eat a lot of candy.
Yep. What else?
And remember to subscribe if you like this video. And put a thumbs up if you like this video. Bye, guys.